How to change your email address on Google Play Store. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your verification email address on Google Play Store. So the first thing that you want to do is launch the app, and once you've opened the app you can see your profile icon at the top right. Just tap on it, and from here you want to head over to your settings. But before we go any further, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will help us out a lot. And on that note, let's continue. So from here, you want to tap on the drop down of the first option, that is general. And once your drop down is open, just tap on the first option, account and device preferences. Now here you will see a email address right here, so just tap on it. I've already changed it, so if you have a different email address you can just choose it and tap on save, and now it will send a verification code on this email address. So it's saying it's pending verification. Once you verify it from the code that you've received, then your verification email will be changed on Google Play Store. And that's how you can change your email address on your Google Play Store. If you found the video helpful, hit the like and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.